Take a quick look at Lucid LCID for this week. So Lucid, not a bad day on Friday, closed just about under 2% here. What I really want to take a look at is, we have to take the whole market into perspective here. If the overall market does continue to trade sideways, if not pull down a little bit more, that level to the downside that we're really looking at is that $40.91. I wouldn't say that that's a potential short just due to the fact that we're going to have some support right around that 39. So if we do flush down lower than Friday's lows, what I'm looking for here is the price to catch right around that 90 area. And if we can catch at that area and get a nice bounce on the hourly time frame channels, then that potentially would set up for a good reversal on the bounce. Now, to the long side, I still think that Lucid is 1 or 2 days away just due to the fact that we're still trading below the 50-day moving average. I think that the macro trade, like the more measured potential move on Lucid, is going to be as soon as we close over the 50-day moving average. So for anyone looking to take a play this week in Lucid, let's let this price kind of do its thing. Let's stay patient and remain calm. I want to see this close over $43.62. That's going to be the 50-day moving average here. Even if we come up to 44, 44 and a half, and we close there, that's completely fine. Just let it do its thing. But how about we look into Wednesday, Thursday to kind of confirm that price action over the 50-day moving average and give ourselves that first initial price target of this little top wick here, which is also going to correlate with December the 7th highs here, $47.60. So anywhere we're going to get between $44.50, $45 and $47, 47 and a half. That's a 2 to 2.5 point move. So for all day traders, scalpers, that's more than sufficient enough. Going with a decent amount of size, take that trade with confidence. But if the market does pull back, let it pull back, let it bounce off 39.60, 39.50. And depending on the overall market, if we get a flush through those lows, I think then that's when we have a potential short opportunity with the next catch area right around 36. So from that 39 and a half area to 36 is a 3 point move to the downside. As soon as we can close over the 50-day moving average, we got a 2 to 3 point move to the upside. So right now we're currently in the middle of the trading range. So I would just stay patient, at least for one more trading day. Whether we break down or we break up, kind of just let tomorrow pass. Let's see what we do. And then going into, what would that be, Thursday session, we're going to have a clear picture whether we're going to play this long or short. So I think we're just one day away from kind of seeing where Lucid's setting up. But until next time, guys, if you want, join my Discord. That link is down in the description box below. Also, visit my website, evolutiontraders.com, if you want to learn how I trade using supply and demand and kind of knowing, when's the best time to take a trade, kind of learning how to day trade. If you guys want to do this, maybe for supplemental income, maybe you guys want to one day eventually trade full time. There's a lot of rules and a lot of discipline that needs to go into this. So with that being said, I will see you guys all in the next video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, drop me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think about Lucid heading into this week, and I will catch you guys all in the next video.